making lemon perfume for using
in phenyl and
detergent.
Good evening, friends. Welcome to Arogya Sandhan Charitable Trust Vocational Training Center. We have already made 2 videos for perfume making. One is for lavender, another is for rose. Today we are going to make lemon perfume. You see, basically lemon perfume requires a lot of ingredients, which today we are going to use. Around more than 20 chemicals will be used for making lemon perfume, and this perfume is being formulated by us with original chemical. No compound is being used here. So you purchase the raw materials from the market, and everywhere all over the world these chemicals are available. Because if you go for the branded company chemicals, then it may not be available. But you can get these chemicals anywhere in India, anywhere in the world. So today first we will take a DEP, which is the basic ingredient for mixture. So DEP we will take 75 ml. Today we will make it 500 ml perfume. For 500 ml perfume, we are using 75 ml DEP. Now in this 75 ml DEP, we will put lemon oil. Lemon oil will be 100. Actually for 500 grams, we are taking lemon oil as 75 grams. So we will take 75 grams of lemon oil. 75 grams of lemon oil, which is the basic ingredient for this. Basic top note. Actually perfume depends on 3 types of chemicals. One is top note, another is middle note, another is base note. So base note gives a lifting. Base note is the retention of perfume. Actually, when the smell comes, the perfume comes, perfume may get wiped out easily if the base chemicals are not there. So we will be using base chemicals, middle note chemicals, and top note chemicals. So lemon is a top note chemical. Now we will give terpineol. Terpineol we will put 50 ml. 50 ml terpineol. Ml terpineol we will put. Then we will put terpinyl acetate. Terpinyl acetate will be another 50 ml. Terpinyl acetate will be 50 ml. So 50 ml terpinyl acetate. Now we will put linalool. Linalool, which is giving a very good smoothing smell, and it is very useful for almost all the perfumes. All the perfumes, and in detergent and phenyl, this is very useful. So we are using linalool 20 ml. 20 ml linalool. Now we will put linalool acetate. Linalool acetate, that will be 30 ml. 30 ml linalool acetate. All are chemicals only, which is used in perfume. So no compound is here. Linalool acetate will be 30 ml. So we are putting 30 ml. Actually, for this line, for this lemon perfume, these are the basic ingredients. Now we are using another fantastic perfume, fantastic chemical, which can be top note everywhere, Dihydro Iso. Dihydro Iso very fresh note and very smooth and attractive smell. So many modern perfumes are using this dihydromarcinol as top note. So we are also using here dihydromarcinol 50 ml. 50 ml dihydromarcinol, then methyl anthranilate. This is a middle note. It gives lifting to the perfume. So we are using methyl anthranilate only 7.5 ml. 7.5 ml methyl anthranilate. It is very useful for the lemon perfume. Methyl anthranilate. Then we will give phenyl ethyl alcohol. It is 70 ml. We are using 70 ml. 70 ml phenyl ethyl alcohol, though it is basically used for the rose, but it is used almost all perfumes. This phenyl ethyl alcohol, very useful ingredient for a perfumer. Now we are using ylang. Ylang also we are giving 10 ml. This is also middle note. This is also middle note. We will put ylang 10 ml. It gives very good lifting to the top note. Now we will be using camphor. Camphor will be using very small quantity. Very small quantity. It is better to use 0.25 ml gram. For the 500, we will use 0.25 gram. 0.25 gram of camphor we are using. 0.25 gram. Now we are giving another valuable ingredient for this lemon perfume, which is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is only 5 ml, not bit, not more. Only 5 ml eucalyptus. It also helps in lifting the perfume. And then we are putting lavender. Lavender also, lavender oil. It is also very useful for the lemon. Lavender only 10 ml. Although it becomes top note in other places, other perfumes, but here it will be middle note. Here it will be used as middle note. It will help to rise the top note. Lavender. Now we are giving C12L. Laurinic aldehyde C12. It is in 10%. Take DEP 100 ml and then put 10 ml C12L and put it. Then you use it. We are putting C12L 20 ml. 10% will be in 20 ml. This gives a different kind of note, and it helps the top note to spread, and aldehyde, a drop itself is a very strong. So using aldehyde very cautiously. We should use aldehyde very cautiously. Now we are going for the base note. You see, base note we are putting benzoin, resinoid benzoin 15 ml. It is also very useful for the lemon. Resinoid benzoin. Now we are going for the base notes. Base notes, this is first we have given the resinoid benzoin, then we are giving cedarwood oil 20 ml. Cedarwood oil also very useful for the lemon. Cedarwood oil, you see, cedarwood oil we have given 20 ml. Now we are giving methyl naphthyl ketone, which is very basic need for this lemon perfume. Orange, it is other name of this ingredient is orange crystal. It is costing around 1,500 rupees per kg. So this is a basic thing, and here we are putting 15 gram methyl naphthyl ketone. Methyl naphthyl ketone will be 15 gram.
9
So 9 gram we are putting, then again we will put 6 gram. Methyl naphthyl ketone. This we have put 15 gram. It is available as orange crystal. Orange crystal. It is a very good. It gives very good smell, lemony smell for the perfume. And then we will be putting hydroxycitronella. This is a very costly item. 2000 plus 2200 rupees per kg. We are putting 20 ml. 20 ml we are putting here. It is actually used in mogra and used in jasmine, and it gives very good smell to perfume. And for the lemon perfume, it is very essential item. We have given the citronellol. Now we are giving Hexyl cinnamic aldehyde. This is a woody note, so it helps to get the lemon perfume to mature. So we are giving Hexyl cinnamic aldehyde, another 20 ml. 20 ml Hexyl cinnamic aldehyde, and then we are giving Iso Jasmone. It is also very costly item. It is around 2000. It is imported from the UK. It is we are putting only 10 ml for this. It gives a very good middle note. Very good middle note, and it modifies top note also. It is so powerful, it modifies top note also. So we are putting Dihydro Iso Jasmone. Then we are putting another essential item for this lemon perfume or orange lemon perfume is Geranyl Acetate. Geranyl Acetate we are putting 15 ml. Geranyl Acetate we are putting 15 ml. So now we are going close to complete our perfume. Another thing we will put last item for this is Musk ketone. This is also very essential item for almost all perfumes. Almost all perfumes we will be putting 10 ml, 10 gram of Musk ketone. 10 gram of Musk ketone. You see, generally people don't use basic chemical for a perfume, but basic chemical will be
10 gram.
Basic chemical will be useful for your perfume, as you know all the chemicals and there won't be any dearth of supply. But if you depend on the chemical compound of any company, at any time if company close down its manufacturing, then your perfume will be in problem. So better to use the basic chemicals for making a compound. Although it takes time to develop a perfume, but it will be good one and everlasting for a company to use this type of perfume by ingredients. You have seen, I will give this all the details in the video, so people who are interested in perfumery, they can contact us. Next video we will be making for another very good perfume, which is Mugat, Lily of Valley. That perfume will be launching another video very shortly. So hope people will be benefited with this. Those who want to make perfume for their product, or those who want to make perfume and sell in the market, they also can follow this formula for their own use. Thank you very much. Thanks from Arogya Sandhan Charitable Trust. And if you need any training for this perfume, you can contact us. We give training at free of cost. And you can contact us. The phone number will be available in the our video. And thank you very much. Thank you.